Guys, let's discuss 7e over here. This is about word skills and how we work with verbs over here. There's a big problem with this, in my opinion, because we simply need to remember the verb patterns in here. And let's have a look at how it works. So we have verbs after which we use the infinitive or the ing form. And most of the times we need to remember. So at first, what I need you to do, describe the picture. What do you think the woman is doing? So look at the picture here and write your answers here. All right. Then in 2, read the text over here and then answer the questions 1, 2, 3, 4. When you're done with this, guys, this is where you learn the theory right here. This is where you have the verb patterns. They will tell you A, B, and C. Some verbs are followed by the infinitive on another verb. So for example, she hopes to be a teacher. Do you want to go out? And then in B, some verbs are followed by ing of another verb. So I fancy going out. He keeps on interrupting. Some verbs are followed by either the infinitive or ing. So here it doesn't matter. You can use I like to do, I like doing, I start to do, I start doing, I love to do, I love doing, I prefer to do, I prefer doing. Here it doesn't matter. Unfortunately, guys, these patterns are something that we need to simply remember. How you remember, you have to find your way. All right. I think the best, in my opinion, the best way might be to practice by listening to movies. Especially, this is something that will solidify your knowledge in there. I can give you only one little rule that might help you in the future. If you see a preposition, for example, on or after or about, all right, then after the preposition, if you use a verb without any subject, it must be an ing form. All right. So for example, they are talking about moving to Prague. He keeps on interrupting. What else? After, right? So he went home after seeing the movie, and so on. All right. So then we use after prepositions. There are ing forms if you don't use any subject. Now, when you're done with this, guys, you have to learn how to read a dictionary. You will read it in this exercise. Entries for verbs. They will show you patterns, the verbs in which the verbs are used. So when you check any dictionary, all right, then you will see that over here they will show you some dictionary entries. We have the verb avoid, we have the verb hate, and we have the verb refuse. I want you guys to check the information that the dictionary provides and then answer the question 1 and 2. All right, 1 and 2. Then there's A, B, and C. I believe this will not be difficult for you, but we will see. Then we have exercise 5 and 6 and 7. I want you to look up these words in the dictionary and find out whether you use ing or the infinitive. Maybe you already know it. If you know it, you don't have to find it in a dictionary, but maybe you're wrong. Okay, so it's much better to check it in the dictionary. Then I need you to use these verbs and put them here, right? They are either the verbs from here or simply use the ing of the verbs you see right here. Okay? It can be ing, all right, or the infinitive. Now the question is, now we have the word promise. What follows after promise, right? Is it the ing or is it to phone or is it phoning? Okay, so that's the question. And you need to complete the exercise here. Guys, I wish I had some other rules that can help you, but unfortunately, we simply must remember. There's no other way. Number 7, complete the sentences with an infinitive or ing form. So here, this is your opinion right here. From 1 to 8, complete the sentences with your own opinion, your own life. All right? That's all, guys. Nothing else from here. So complete those exercises, take a picture of this and upload it to the proper task on Google Classroom. The following lesson will focus on workbook, and here you will try it again and you will see whether you remember all those verbs and how we should create the verbs after them. Alright, so thank you very much. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me on Google Classroom or just send me an email. Bye bye.